Here's one of my favorite core moves, and it's also really good for training your brain just because it's a little confusing. This move looks pretty simple, but a lot of people struggle with the coordination at first. And that's why you might not have been able to do it during warm-ups in your BJJ class. Okay, I'm gonna break this down so that you can play and explore with it and get a better feel for what's going on within the move. First off is getting comfortable with the initial position where you have your head and your feet off of the ground with back rounded and hands on the floor. Now we're gonna play around by trying to lift our hips up off of the floor going side to side. Can you keep your legs straight? Or maybe it's easier for you to push your toes towards the ceiling. Give that a try. Can you bring your hands up off of the floor while continuing to go side to side? Are you holding your breath? Well, don't. Easiest way to get around that is simply smile. Can you bring both your arms to one side and continue to lift your hips side to side? How about switching your arms? Next up, let's explore the upper body. And we're gonna have our feet on the ground and just see if we can go side to side. Can you add a little twist in there? Looking further to the side. Can you pull your shoulders up off of the ground while swinging your arms from side to side? Might help to reach for the ceiling in order to help you bring your shoulders even further up off of the ground. And once you can do that, let's see if you can bend your arms and continue to do this side to side motion. Now let's explore putting it all together. Load your arms. And now pull your hips up and to the side as you swing your arms across your body. Then return to the first position and load your arms to repeat the movement. Gradually you'll find it easier to move your hips as you pull your arms back across into the loading position. Keeping your arms straight will be easier, but you can also work on being able to relax them, keeping them close to your body. If you're having trouble because you're rotating, then that just means that you're having trouble coordinating your lower and your upper body. In this case, what'll help is to explore making the moves much, much smaller. And once you get going in a straight line, you can start exploring by going a little bit bigger or even a little bit faster with the movement. Pretty soon, things will start to click, and before you know it, you'll be going up and down the mat. It'll really boost your coordination between your upper and your lower body. That's what our vitamin program is all about. It walks you through exploring dozens of fun and playful moves and combos to help you move with more coordination and control in every activity. Check out the link in the description for more detail.